Right, Douglas, here we are yet again.
Yes, we are.
I notice, I'm going to say that the origin of the owner for this base is from France, probably mid-France.
Yes.
Yeah, and he's called Patrick. Now, why are you taking all the paint off?
I had a trouble with the lacquer.
Oh dear.
Not setting properly.
Did you have trouble with the neck lacquer, or just the body lacquer?
I don't know, they've given me a different hardener with it.
Who's they, the manufacturers?
The manufacturers, Yemerels. I don't know whether it's that. They said it's a fine, you know, it's a slower setting lacquer, that's all they've said to me. But
is this like a new lacquer that you've been getting?
No, it's the lacquer I've always used, but they keep changing it. It's not the same as it used to be. I used to be able to use 6 coats of lacquer on top of the paint finishes.
Yeah.
And that was more than enough, and it never used to run either. This stuff is supposed to be more solids in it, yet it runs straight away if you just load it slightly more than you would to try and get a build.
Have you contacted them?
Yeah, I've spoke to them in the past. I'm going to have to speak to them again because it's not working like it did.
So what's going on with the front of the guitar?
I've stripped that as well.
Oh yeah.
Stripping the whole guitar, apart from the neck so far. I've not made my mind up whether the neck is okay, but I'm not sure. I don't think it's very good, so I'll probably work on the neck later. I've got other things to do now, so I just wanted to tidy that bit up on the bench. I've got to make these guitars. I've got to start on these, so I've got all my list of stuff on that one to do.
Oh yeah, like a flying V, isn't it? Yeah.
Polling card. I've got to cut the answer pickup system hole.
Oh yeah.
Which is that? For an answer system I'm building there.
I thought you'd run out of components.
No, I had them built.
Oh, by that chap?
Yeah.
Oh, that's okay. Have you got one to show us?
Yeah, somewhere, yeah. If I could find it, it'd be nice, wouldn't it?
Do you think it's in there?
It'll be yeah, I've tidied this up quite a lot, so I'll find it now.
Let's have a look. Has he done the whole surround and everything, or do you make that part yourself?
I do all that. Just the pickups. I've put them away somewhere, I'm afraid. Yeah, I've put them away, but I don't know where.
Oh, dear.
I'm not very organised, you should know that.
Yeah.
Because I've got all this lot to do. I'm doing that banjo finally.
This one here?
These might be the answer system here. Yeah, there's the answer systems. I think this is the one he's made me.
He's dustier than you.
No, I've been putting these in here.
Oh.
That's the answer system. So there it is.
So you have to go.
The rails
you've got to make the rails and everything.
Yeah.
That's your phone.
I know. It's just a message, that is.
Is it really?
Yeah. And I've got this is off Dan. He broke his machine head. The actual.
Oh dear.
Broken there, so pretty good.
What make is that?
Milwaukee or something.
Michigan.
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 Yeah.
Is it worth fixing? It's like a pile of crap.
He said he loves it.
Oh, it's like a sentimental thing.
No, he says it sounds great.
Oh, brilliant. Okay, fair enough. Yeah.
And this is what the lady bought.
It was lady friend. Yeah.
Yeah, his lady friend. Just falling apart. I'd rather you didn't have done that.
That's a good rhythm, that is. Do it again.
I know, but you're putting grease into where I'm going to glue.
These hands aren't greasy.
They are.
I wash with surgical spirits in the morning.
No, you don't.
I do. You won't find any grease on these fingers.
Yes, I will. I'm going to have to get that off now with meths. I'm going to clean that with meths now you've done that.
You do exaggerate, don't you?
I don't. I'm doing it now.
I'm telling you, you do.
I don't know why you have to touch things.
It's a Hofner. Would you say that to like a chimpanzee out in the wild when he's touching things and being tactile? Would you say, I don't understand why you're touching things?
You shouldn't touch that though. I'm going to glue it. That's why I've just got it all ready to glue.
So, Banjo, anyway, while we're in here.
Yes, I put the skin on now. So I've done everything for this. I put new machine heads on, done the frets. I've cleaned this hoop up and I've just put that on. The hoop.
8
this
strings?
Yeah. It's a banjolele. Pairs, so it's just 4 strings really.
So where's the pigskin thing?
This is it.
But you don't have all.
I've put that on to hold it.
Oh, to glue it. I was going to say. I thought it was a finished article. I was going to say, yeah. Okay, yeah.
I've used that string as a clamp.
I get you. Yeah.
I think this is an old-fashioned way of doing it.
Could well be.
Well, it seems to have worked.
Won't you find out when you see what the tension's like?
Well, the tension is where it'll be.
Mind you, don't you tighten the tension with
yes,
bolty down
that's
things?
right, it's the bolty down thing.
Oh, there you go then, yeah.
Might be too tight to start with.
How many metres of string have you used?
Oh, that much.
You could probably go caving with that amount of string. Go about a mile under, find your way back.
I mean, I don't know whether this is going to work. This is experimental.
What kind of skin is it? Is it artificial or is it real animal?
It's just off a roll of string I've got.
No, the skin, you wally.
The skin? Oh, no, it's real.
Human?
No. It could be.
I bet there will be a banjo somewhere that's made with human skin by some
No doubt.
lunatic.
Right. So that's the one that goes over the top. This goes on this. And that hoop goes on and presses that down like so.
Yeah.
Okay.
You're going to do that another time?
No, I'm going to put it on in a second.
Excellent. Morels.
That's just a stain, brown stain.
Not another brown stain. You know what you're like. You're renowned for your brown stains, aren't you?
Well, they go on my hands as well, everywhere. It looks
Diddly-diddly-diddly.
like I've been pecking my nose.
You know what people will be thinking?
Yes, quite a lot of string that was I used.
Got a hand down your pants, smelling your fingers, and you've got brown nose after.
You've got an absolutely revolting sense of humour.
I don't know if I recognise you. Where's your revoltingness gone? You've gone all tame.
It'll be coming back soon.
Since you got your what's it called? It's
What you call it?
what's his name? What's his name? The Elephant Man.
Dean?
No, John Merrick. Since you got your John Merrick hand,
All right.
you've gone less aggressive and less insulting, and you've become more normal,
It won't last.
kinder, empathetic person.
No, it won't. Right.
Perhaps the infection in your hand is like sort of remapped your brain. How is your hand, by the way? Looks like it's. Oh, it looks like it's. Oh, it looks got. You can tell it looks like it's a bit swollen again, doesn't it?
It's swollen all around there. That's joint killing, and that still won't bend properly.
Oh, yeah.
That's as far as it'll go, which is a big improvement from 2 weeks ago, where it wouldn't bend further than that.
Can't you go back to your doctors? Well, are you going back to your doctors?
Yes, I'm going back. Yeah. So yes, what I'm doing next is she's broken the bits of wood off and stuff, so I'm going to glue this back on permanently. So with araldite.
Let me ask you something, yeah?
Yeah.
You know how observant I am.
Yeah.
And these educational questions I ask.
Yeah.
Which you always enjoy, yeah.
Yeah.
So are you going to glue that back where it is, or are you going to measure from the nut here? Because maybe where it was before might be.
Well, I've got it the wrong way around for a start.
I was just about to point that out, but I was waiting for you to catch up. Yeah. No, I mean, are you going to like measure it?
Hey?
Are you going to measure it, or are you just going
Yes,
to like?
of course I'm going to measure it.
Excellent.
I'm just going to mark it out where what
Where it was.
And then we'll see. With a bit of masking tape, and then we can just move that around.
Is it me, or does that neck look like it's concave in the middle?
They do always look like that, don't they?
It's just like a.
It's flat.
It's just
And it does seem to be caved. Yeah, now I don't know whether it is anymore.
Hang on.
You can see that there's a curve, isn't there?
Yeah, a little bit.
Inwards. That's roughly right there. So I'll mark these out in a minute. This is just to stop the glue running out onto the.
Fiddly-dee, diddly-doo. I think open mic wise, you need more songs, Doug.
I know that. I'm fed up singing that.
Incredibly bored of the stuff that we do.
No, you aren't as bored as me.
Yeah, we need
I'm
to
absolutely
we either need
pissed off
to
with it.
retire or just do. We need
yeah,
three new songs.
Yeah. I did Green Grass last night for a change.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah. Should bring back Engelbert and Jim Reeves and stuff like that. What's that Jim Reeves one?
Put your sweet lips.
Put your sweet lips a little closer to the phone.
Oh, I thought it was To Me Bone.
Oh, Christ.
Oh, God. I suppose I could make that the new dirty one, couldn't I?
Filth, aren't you?
That just jumped in my brain then.
It's because you're a vile human being.
I'm terrible.
You're not even that good. Fucking horrendous person.
I was going to have amused myself.
I forgot the resources. I'll have you shot in your sleep later. Not to kill you, just to severely maim you, of course.
Oh dear, dear me.
181 gigawatts. How many millimetres are we looking at, or are you working in inches? Imperial or
This
metric?
is very old, so this is inches. This is before metric was invented. Then again,
That's bollocks. You got fucking metric there.
no, I know.
You made me swear now. That's the first swear word on this video.
Right, it's 32 and a half. That's 65. Should be, yeah, 65. With it goes back a little bit, so you can see the line.
Oh, that's not
Can you see that line there?
Yes.
That's where it's going to go.
Yeah, but that's not 65, is it? That's 67.
No, just a minute. Shut up. 32 and a half is 60 fucking 5. There's 60 fucking 5 there.
Yeah, only because you moved it since I mentioned it.
Well, I told you it was right in the right place, wasn't it?
Ish, yeah, you're back 2 mil out, aren't you? Yeah. Get some more tape on there.
So don't touch anything.
I'm helping you,
Okay.
for Christ's sake. What kind of weirdo are you? But you'd fall over, your back's about to be broken. Can I help you up, sir? Fuck off!
That's right.
I'll stay here in agony with my broken back.
That's it.
Diddly doo, diddly doo. I don't know.
Hush your sweet lips.
No, that's not 65, is it?
That's right, that is. It's in the right place. Okay. A little closer.
To the phone. So Jim Reeves, we should do something like an Engelbert one again. I always like Please Release Me, maybe because it's one of my dad's favourites.
Yeah, it's a good song.
Please release me, let me go.
Yum.
Actually, yeah, we'll do that. And then one from ages ago. I'll have to look at my chords. I simply can't turn up. Can't play Road to Hell again.
No, can't.
Fuck me, I just hate the song now.
I don't hate it. It's just
Well, I don't hate
bored
stuff.
doing
Yeah,
it.
it's just, yeah. Yeah, excellent. Well, I'm glad we've all agreed to do that. I think I might stop this video and then start filming another one. So I've got 2 videos then. What do you think?
I'm just lining all this tape up now, so I'm not thinking about that, what you're doing.
Yeah.
Right. Now then.
Now then.
I could put a pin in through. Put the
No, I
pins
wouldn't
in.
do that.
Just tiny little pins just to line it up, but that'll do. I think that's okay.
Just do it by eye and by hand.
I normally.
The human hand.
That's what I normally do.
I'm going to stop this video and then we're going to have a cup of tea and then we're going to carry on with another one.
Okay.
So, are you going to end this video?
Well, like I said, telling you to fuck off.
No, we don't need
No, I'm
swearing.
not going to do that.
Excellent.
No swearing. I'm not doing swearing anymore. Fed up with swearing.